I tell you what, the old days, this was huge. It's a very small floor. So I don't know how many videos I got out of this, but it's unbelievable. But I've seen it before. Guy couldn't even take a picture of my GoPro of me in front of the other vehicle, but here we are, round 2. 53rd annual. I've been coming, I think, every single one. I've never missed one. With my dad, or anything. I've always come, not just the YouTube channel, but I always love looking at cars, but just less and less. So let's look at some trucks here. Let's see, what do they want for these bad boys? I really can't. $75,000 for that pig. 75 grr. Holy moly. Just no excuse at the gas miles they don't get in these things. So, I don't want to go. So we'll go over here, get away from the music. I guess there was something about those. They're going to stop making those ones over there or something. But they can take the music out now for me if I need to, so. Hi, Jennifer. Rubicon, baby. Red Bull. Ooh, baby. Look at those bad boys. So someone said they were going to be getting rid of I love these. These are pretty cool. I love that shape. It's kind of cool. That's what I heard, so I don't know. How much is electrical? I'm going to go over here and look at this bad boy. I wouldn't buy that. I don't care who I am. I'm going to go see. Oh my goodness. Oh, look. Jesus, that bad boy. Look, take a look. Please no beverage or food inside. $100,000. Jesus. Oh my goodness. I mean, I get it. Huh. Door is locked in place for show. I would shower in the shower. There's no shower, it's just a bathroom. Your workbench, I always call it. Here's the shower in the shower. Hello. Look at that bad boy. Another bathroom, so you have 2 heads. $100,000 this bad boy. Jesus. This bad boy. Oh my God. I get it, man, if you have the money. Oh, food. Nice sink. Sitting in there. Freightliner. Nice. This is a traveling yacht, they always call it, right? Oh, sorry about that. There we go. Yeah. Not bad, huh? It's like 2:30 right now. Perfect timing for me to get here. Let's go over here. $260,000 for this pig. I don't like these. There's no room in these at all. Not a lot of room in these things.
No, this is pretty small.
I wouldn't buy this for $260,000. You kidding me? No way. I'd rather buy a shuttle and make it my own. You know what I'm saying? This is too much. It's just no way. There's no room at all in here. Not worth it. I'd rather buy a 5th wheel. Not a chance. Let's go on down here. No way, man. Need an extra chair to get down. What's happening? How many do you sell these a year?
So I work for the company that builds those vans.
Right.
I don't know how many of these guys sell these a year.
Oh, okay.
This is a brand new model, actually. It's a proto.
Oh, really? Wow. I'd buy this, probably buy that. There's more room. Looks solid compared to some of the RVs I've looked at. Some of the 5th wheels. This just looks out, feels solid.
And Newmar does a pretty good job.
Yep. All right, my friend. How's the sale going? Good. Happy New Year, my friend. So, Sterling Motor Coach, small town family values with national award winning. Good. All right. All right. So yeah, there's not a lot of cars here, but it is what it is. So I saw those already. You saw those. All these vehicles, where the hell they are. Still, this is 26,000 Mazda. Should be more. I'm sorry. 2026. Which you can kind of see. Doesn't go very far down there. Kind of like the interior. 53rd annual. Can you believe it? Twin Cities Auto Show. That's small. Really small. I like the Ions. I've seen them before. You want 38,000 for this thing? All right. Here's a little two-seater. Maz, that's a living in Florida or LA. The West Side Wagon. Look at that bad boy. Nice. Your own little mystery machine. Nice. I think that's up 100. How you doing? How's business?
You know, it's a little slow this afternoon.
Is it?
But
Yeah.
otherwise, you know, it's been okay this week. How are you doing?
Good. I'm just doing some videoing.
Kind of figured.
Yeah. Nothing special. I always come to the auto show regardless if I'm videoing or not. I always like it.
Oh, I mean, there's always something new to check out.
Right. It's not as big as it used to be.
No, not even close.
It's too bad. It's a nice Ford. The Lightnings, I won't say want. I think I stopped making these, I think. What do they want for these bad boys now? They want, where did it say it? I saw it. $90,000. 90 grand. No way. Just give me an F-250 for 50 grand. I'll be fine. I mean, I get it, but trunk, front, whatever. Not paying that for that Lightning. Sorry. Expedition, the original. Still should be better. What's they want for this pig? Came by rail. $68,000. Small. It's not. I don't mind this one. These are kind of nice. I've sat one of these before. Nice. Kind of nice. Explorer. You want 50,000 for this bad boy? I see. All right. Walk over here. Walk this way. Make our way over other vehicles I have. It's a great day to come here. I mean, you can't ask for a better time. Not a lot of people don't get my videos, whatever else, you kind of look at stuff, so it's kind of cool. But Very, very nice. Ooh, look at the Bronco over here. It's a nice color. Look at that bad boy.
Oh, I just.
Love the color. A little too small for the cowboy, but room in there. Another Bronco. Nice. A gray color to it. Twin City Auto Show, man, you guys. Hell yeah. Come on out. Hell yeah. Ready, set, forward. But, yeah. Explorer. They want $60,000 for this pig. 60 grand. Anyways, guys. We'll see you in the next one, okay? Bitch, please.